So we have our Mamiya here, our C3, our medium format film camera, and we are shooting with some Fujifilm NPH 400. This stuff expired in 1997. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase that exposure one stop every decade. So 1997 to 2021, you know, it's about 20 years. So pull this down, open our film up. Just like that. We'll put this in our pocket, just because we don't litter. Alright. Once again, we don't litter. Pull this out. Just like so. So we're gonna slide this in, like so. Lock this back into place, like that. Pull this up to our slot right here. We're gonna pull this until this lever, the arrow, hits that red dot. We're gonna close this up. We're gonna lock this back up. And then we're gonna slide, turn, until it won't allow us to anymore. Just like that. Pull up, down, and ready to shoot.